There was a conference at Asilomar that made headlines around the world.
At Princeton at that time, and I was actually walking around one day thinking, what's wrong with this object recognition models we're building? And then one very simple observation hit me. It's about children's learning. You know, in early years of development, children learn a lot. And they learn by experiencing. They don't learn a cat by the mom or the dad saying the cat is a configuration of an ellipse and triangles. That would be ridiculous. So they just learn by looking at the world, experiencing this world. In fact, if you think the children's eyes are a pair of biological cameras, they take about 5 pictures per minute because of the movement of the eyes. And by age 3, they've taken about hundreds of millions of pictures. And that's the quantity that children or humans use to learn in the early years. Whereas at the field of computer vision, the whole field worldwide was playing with a few hundred images, and that just didn't cut it. So once we realized this, my colleagues and I realized that learning requires big data. We not only have to marry learning into artificial intelligence, we have to marry big data into this. So. And it was also a historically very interesting time. While we as scientists realize big data is important, the world is exploding with data. Internet exploded, and because of internet, the amount of data exploded. The first 10 years of the new century, 21st century, we saw the explosion, exponential explosion of data. And more importantly, here's a graph showing you what happened on the internet in every 60 seconds. Most of these data are in the form of multimedia between videos and pictures. So we've got a lot of data out there, and we can leverage on that.